Hello everyone. I hope you are doing great. And even if you are not, that's fine. 2025 has been very bad for me. Bro, wait. Don't you think just talking in front of the camera and sitting here is boring? Yeah, so let's just roam around and talk to them about everything and the biggest announcement ever. Okay, so today is 16th August 2025 और आज जन्माष्टमी है and इसलिए ये सब and I don't bother to मतलब remove it this Tiga and all. So yes, talking about 2025, it's been 8 months now and 2025 has been very bad for me in terms of my professional life. I got stuck into peer pressure and I started focusing on DSA for college internships, which turned out to be a very bad decision for me. I left making videos on YouTube in 2024. I stopped reading books. I stopped focusing on my health, and I also got sick. So I kind of wasted my 1 year. I will say I started doing things which I shouldn't. For example, I started sitting for college internships, which was never in my bucket list. Like I had other plans, but then again, due to everyone doing same thing around me, I just thought I'm doing everything wrong, and I should just sit for the whatever the placement cell is telling me, and that was a bad decision, of course. So I could have done a lot more better in terms of content creation. I should have reached till 10k subscribers till now at least, and you can help me with that even now. Please subscribe if you want to. So like I could have done a lot more better in terms of content creation, in terms of startup, in terms of other things which I always wanted to do. And now that I'm in my final year, I have decided to leave college placements, and for that I will make another video. So I got some 4 to 5 job offers from software companies, including companies like Goldman Sachs or D-Shaw, and also DoorDash. But then and a couple of more startups. But then I'm not sitting for placements, as well as I'm not joining any company because I was never really interested into corporate, and I never really planned to get a job anytime. Like when I was in my first year, I was always into startups, and there is one more thing, that is I can't work under someone. Like I don't personally like it, and this is also one reason I always wanted to work my own brand. I always wanted to work on something of my own, for example, my own company or my own personal brand. And working at Google or Microsoft never really interested me, intrigued me that much. So yeah, that was never the part of the plan. But then somehow, like I was saying, due to the peer pressure and everything which was happening in college, I got stuck in that loop that I also have to get a job first and then only I can do something, which is completely wrong. So in March 2025, I started working on my startup, and I connected with a lot of founders, different founders, incubators, and also applied for various funding. I received some of them, and I also got selected for the What the Fund as top 7%. And till now, I was working as a solo founder. I was always interested into software, so I developed the product myself. I was also focusing on the marketing and the sales part because I also have interest. I have interest in both of these domains. I was also handling the YouTube channel. Again, like having a YouTube channel is a lot more difficult than I expected before. And it's been around 2.5 years since I started my YouTube channel. Maintaining a YouTube channel and also running a startup side by side is a bit complicated thing. And in both of these things, what I love is we have to wear a lot of hats. It's not like that we have to just do one thing. It's like we have to do a lot of things, and that too we have to be perfect in all the things that we are doing. So what I've realized is I was working like a one-man army till now, and I personally like working alone only. So this is also one thing which I'm working on. That is to develop a habit of working with other people. But then things will not work in that way. So I have decided to build my own team. So I'm hiring for both my startup and YouTube. Yes, so the biggest announcement is that I'm hiring, and I'm hiring for both the YouTube and the startup. I want people who love experimenting things, who love to try new things, who are really passionate about what they are doing, and someone who is not only into getting a job, or someone whose main motivation is not just to get money. If you are really passionate about something, if you love experimenting new things, and if you want to try out different things and wear a lot of hats, So if this is something which resonates with you, I have mentioned the links in the description for both the startups and YouTube, and the roles for which I am hiring. I will talk about it later in the video. So first you have to watch the full video and then only apply accordingly to the various Google form links that I have mentioned in the description. Before that, let me tell you about the community. So till now, like I still have very less subscribers, but then it still became very difficult to reply each one of you if you ask questions on Telegram, LinkedIn or Instagram, and a lot of people ask mainly the same questions, so it becomes a bit monotonous. So I have formed various communities. Also, a lot of people were asking about the tech opportunities, to update them with the tech opportunities whenever I find one. So for that, I have formed various communities across WhatsApp. Like on WhatsApp, Telegram, we have a broadcast channel or the community where I will be updating about all the tech opportunities. Mainly for like related to scholarships, fellowships, work, internships, etc. And we also have, so these two are communities, and then we have a Discord server, and this Discord server is very special. Like I have created 4 channels. One is for startups, one is related to software, the third one is student productivity, and fourth one is related to ITJ and college life. So what will happen is in the startup channel, it is mainly for startups, for students, like how can they grab the opportunities, or how can they like start their own company, or how they can connect with the incubators or founders. I have gone through all these processes, so I think I am good enough to help you out. And there is a similar community, there is similar channel for software like opportunities again. So you can discuss about all the software and like software projects, mainly ML AI based projects, web development projects. And yeah, because till now I felt like we didn't really had a community till now, and it feels a bit of a gap. Like I can't contact my subscribers or followers directly. So this is one way in which so on Discord you can talk to me directly, and the other channels are for general student productivity. Like I will be telling you about more better skills which are required in 2025, for example related to networking, building in public, because I think networking has helped me more than anything in my whole college life, and a lot of college students still don't know about it, or like how to use it at its best. So this is also something which I can help you with. So yes, and these are the communities. Then coming to the premium community, so this one is for people who want to talk to me directly, or kind of like get one-on-one mentorship. And it is mainly for people who actually want to try out a different path, who are looking to grab more opportunities, or I will say different type of opportunities, instead of getting like following a rigid path of college and then getting a job. So if you are someone who is very much interested to explore different fields, or have a career in different field, but then you are scared to actually pursue that one, as I was in my third year. So this community is for you, and I will be telling you, like I will be guiding you personally, and this is because I was thinking some people were reaching out to me on LinkedIn or Instagram, but then I was able to help them only one time. It was like a question and an answer. But then I want to have some people, like 10 to 15 people whom I can actually help with their long-term journey, and the process and the goal that they actually want to achieve. So this is something I am very much interested in. Yeah, so this is a paid community, and it will charge around 100 to 200 rupees, and that is just for the accountability for both of the parties. Because if I help you with for others I have the free communities, but if I really have to be accountable with you, and if you also have to be accountable with me for your own journey, then I think there should be some trust built, and for a community like this, and for it to work properly, I have planned to have only 15 to 20 people and help them genuinely for all the goals that they want to achieve. And I will be telling you more about, like I will be in contact with you directly, and I will be telling you about networking mainly, and focusing also on the building in public thing. So yeah, and talking about the software things, this group will be mainly for software startups, like people who are interested in building their own personal brand, which is also one thing which is very important after 2025. So yeah, these are the things which I am looking forward to. So if you are someone who thinks out of the box or who doesn't fit, so this group is for me, you. And if you are fine with the other groups, like I have the Discord server, as I mentioned before, WhatsApp and Telegram. I have the paid communities both on Discord and WhatsApp. Yeah, there is the form, Google form for the this thing, like joining the communities and all. Also, there is a job portal in the Discord server where a lot of companies or companies or the brands will be posting about the jobs in that portal. So, for example, I have a lot of people who are in my connection who are hiring for video editing or designers or even for some web development projects. So people like these will be posting their opportunities in that job portal. So if you are in your first or second year, this will be a good opportunity for you to get some experience, some real experience or something like that. So yeah, for all these things, you have to join all the channels like the Discord server, WhatsApp community and Telegram community. Then talking about the hiring, I am hiring both for YouTube and startup. So talking about the YouTube, I am hiring video editors. I want good video editors for both long and short form content. I will be posting on both YouTube and Instagram. So for the shorts like 60 seconds and for the long form videos which will be around 10 to 12 minutes, I want video editors. And I am also looking for a general manager who can kind of handle my social media and especially the communities which I was talking about before, like updating with the opportunity, with all the tech opportunities and something like kind of managing my Instagram. So this is something which I am looking for. A general media manager. I will say this role is more about the general media manager, and if I like working with you, I can also take you as a manager in the long term, like not right now. I would also like to connect with some designers who have already worked on YouTube thumbnails. So this is not the designing thing is not a paid opportunity. I just want to connect with people who have worked with thumbnails to get an idea, as I'm also learning it side by side myself. And the manager role and for the video editors, it will be a paid opportunity, but I will work with you for a month and then I will start paying you. Because I want to make long-term contacts, long-term editors or long-term managers, so that after working with you for 1 month, if I feel fine, then I will have you as a not permanent, but then I will have you as a video editor for some time. So this is something which I'm looking for. And yes, I don't want you to come only for money. I want you to come for the brand that I am trying to make. So yes, if this resonates with you, you can fill the form given in the description. Then coming for the startups. Now for the startups, I am looking for, so I was working as a solo founder. I will say I developed the product and I also like to work on the marketing and the sales part. But then till now I was working as a solo founder, solo technical founder I will say, because I haven't worked on sales and marketing stuff that much till now. But now I want to, currently I'm working on the distribution part more instead of the product itself. So I launched the MVP and I have the working demo ready. But I want to make the technical side more strong, and I have launched the version 2 of the product. I'm working on the version 3. It's like a personal AI assistant which helps you to think more clearly and take better decisions. And instead of generating the responses, it gives you response from the biographical book dataset. So I'm also planning to train a model based on the biographical book dataset, which is a big task in itself. So I'm looking for people who are interested. Also, you can check out about the product on my LinkedIn post, which I will mention in the description again. So if you are someone who is interested to work on the startup with me, I'm looking for founding team members and a co-founder. So finding a co-founder is very difficult part. It's like I will work with people. If I resonate with them, then I will think about it. But I'm actively looking out for founding team members. If you have, and especially technical team members, because the marketing and sales part I want to handle it myself. And yeah, so if you are someone who has I want people who have 1 or 2 years of experience in web development or machine learning. And this is not for the freshers or people who don't have much experience about making the product more scalable and production ready. So I'm looking for people who are more experienced with all these things. Like I am looking for mainly 2 domains, web development, and the second one is ML and AI. So I want to start working on training the model, and the current version of the MVP is not very well furnished, I will say. Talking about the backend part. So I'm looking for people who can help me with the product. So if you are a fresher or you have just started working in these domains, I would recommend to not apply for it because I don't want to spend a lot of time in sorting out the people. So it will be better if you have interest as well as if you have like the work experience. I'm talking about like even if you are in college and you have worked with some scalable products, you can apply mainly 3rd or 4th years. And talking about the startup, the opportunity for these roles, these are not paid. Like for the startup, I'm not looking for people who want to do an internship or just get an experience for some time. I'm looking to connect with people who can be with me in the long term as well for the product, like for the whole startup. So this is not a paid opportunity. The paid opportunity is for the YouTube. And for the startup, if you're genuinely interested about the product, then only apply. And talking about now coming to first and second years, college students, be it mainly from IIT or NIT or any other. If you are interested in general video editing, or if you are interested in managing, if you want to get an experience in managing social media or something like that, you can contact me. And if I like your work, I will work with you again for 1 month. And if I like your work, I can have you as a paid team member. Yes, so these are some things which I was looking for. Then designing and experimenting with, if you want to experiment with the designs and thumbnails, then also you can join me as a team. And this will not be a paid opportunity initially for the first and second years mainly, because it depends on your work. And then I have started another YouTube channel which is mainly for some fun and entertaining stuff. I will be posting videos which will be related to my other side of personality, which is not serious at all. So I will be soon sharing about all the things which I am experimenting with, for example filmmaking and different types of stand-up comedy and something like that. Or just making fun videos, then general filmmaking, or even working with some media companies for a web series or something like that. So if you are, and maybe also for the fashion which I was trying to do, like the modeling thing. So if you are interested in, and yes, vlogs as well. And on my this YouTube channel, first YouTube channel, I will mostly be talking about the startups, software, AI, and podcasts mainly, and all the technical events or conferences which I attend. So, and on my other YouTube channel, you will also get to see the vlogs, and it will mostly be fun. So if you are if you want to follow that channel as well, you can check out the channel below. I have mentioned the link in the description. It is named as Vaishu Uff with double O. And yes, till now I was like I stopped making videos on YouTube in 2024 mid. So that was one thing. And so I'm now in my final year, and when I look back, I think I wasn't able to do all the things which I really wanted to do when I entered in my first year. So I was a bit sad about it, and I was a bit demotivated. And if I look back, like this 1 year, I wasn't able to do almost anything. It just went in experimenting and doing the wrong things. So this is also something which I really want to improve and buckle up in the next 6 months. And I'm planning to do a lot of things. So yes, this is one thing. And I want you to help me to get 10k subscribers on YouTube. So share it with your friends as much as possible, and share it in your college group, share it in your like friend circle. You can also share it on your Twitter or Instagram. Because like I really wanted to get 10k subscribers till my final year at least, but then I just stopped making videos on YouTube, and it just destroyed my whole consistency which I was doing since first year. But then fine, I just want to buckle up very fast and also work on my startup, work with some like good incubators and fundings which I was talking about before. So yes, please subscribe and help me to get 10k subscribers. And you can also follow me on Instagram and LinkedIn as well. So yes, check out my other YouTube channel and check out all the communities which I was talking about. And if you want to connect with me directly, you can also join the premium club, for which the links are again mentioned in the description. And yes, thanks for watching this video.
Losing my patience, I waited my turn. Can't collect everything that I earned. Built a few bridges, but some gotta burn. They keep talking down like, but when you gon' learn? Been on the come up with some time now. People like to trust, it's hard to find now. Swear to God, there's so much on my mind now. Coming for the word, I put your mind now.